First Standard EVS Chapter 7 Plants Around Us. Hi students, welcome to EVS class. Now I will show you one flower. What flower is this? Yes, this is a jasmine flower. Have you seen jasmine plant, kids? Is it a small plant or a big plant? It is a medium sized plant. So this type of plant is called shrubs. Today we are going to learn about shrubs. Shall we learn, kids? Now see here, kids. Shrubs. Okay? Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay? Shrubs are smaller than trees. A shrub looks like a bush. A shrub looks like a bush. Bush means this type of plants have many low branches. Okay? See the examples of shrubs. The first one is rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Okay? See next one. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Next one is cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Okay? The last one is bougainvillea. B-O-U-G-A-I-N-V-I-L-L-E-A, bougainvillea. Okay, these are the examples of shrubs. Okay, kids? Shall we learn about these four flowers, kids? First one is rose. What is this? This is a rose. The rose is a well-known flower. It is so graceful, that is why it is called the king of flowers. Okay? Rose is called the king of flowers. It is vary from different color or grow in many different colors. Rose is famous for red or yellow roses, sometimes purple or white roses. It is famous for its beauty and smell. There are thorns all over the plant, so it is touched with great care. It is used as medicine. Scent is made from the rose flowers. Okay, kids? The next flower is jasmine. Jasmine flowers are white in color. What color, kids? White in color. Some are look yellow in color. Okay? They are often strongly and sweetly scented. Flowering is in spring or summer season. Some of them flowering in winter season. Jasmine flowers are used to make tea, oil, perfumes and medicine. This is called queen of the flowers. Okay? Jasmine is called queen of the flowers. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan and Philippines. Next one is cotton. Cotton is a natural soft fiber that grows with the seeds of the cotton plant. Cotton is a soft substance like soft wool. It is obtained from a plant of the same name. It is cultivated all over the world. Indian cotton crop is the second largest product in the world. Cotton plants grow tall. They burst when ripe and then come back. Numerous black seed covered with white cotton. Cotton is used for making textiles, bed sheets, mattresses, etc. Indian cotton goods are exported in large quantity for different countries of the world. The last one is bougainvillea. The flowers are small and plain. The flower is surrounded by 3 leaves. It has shiny dark green leaves. It has thin stem and sharp thorns. Bougainvillea can be easily grown on the ground and in pots. It needs full sunlight, warm weather, and well-drained soil to flower well. The bougainvillea white plant can fit into almost any wall and garden. Water it thoroughly once in a week. Avoid over-watering. Now answer me, kids. Which flower is called king of flowers? Yes, rose is called king of flowers. Then which flower is called queen of the flowers? Yes, jasmine is called queen of the flowers. Okay kids, today we learnt about shrubs and examples. Okay kids, we will meet in next class. Bye kids.